Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you on how to download Dropbox to your laptop. Make sure you subscribe and press the notification button below so that you can get a notification when I post. Today, so make sure you watch more of my videos. So let me show you. Go to any browser of yours, either Chrome, Opera Mini, or favorite browser. So you go and type Dropbox for PC. Very simple way how to download it. Just search it like that. Very slowly. Go to download Dropbox. Go to download Dropbox. As it checks, go slowly. Look like that. We are now downloading Dropbox. Just wait. Just wait and just be patient with it. Just be patient with it. Just be patient. And then you have to bring this dialog box, then save. Then you press here. You press this run button. Run. And then it will bring you this dialog box. It is connecting. It is connecting. It is connecting. Just wait. Wait as it's connecting. It is connecting. To bring you to this dialog box as it set up. Just wait. You will sign in with your Google account, sign in with your Apple account. Yeah, you can sign it with the email, sign it with anything you want. You can sign it with the Google, Apple account, email, password. If you have forgotten your password, sign in. You must have an email account, password, yes. That's the simple way on how to do it, how to set up a Dropbox. It's a very easy way, very reliable way. So make sure you download it, and please comment below if you are able. If you are not, please comment even below. I will assist you in it. Please make sure you subscribe and like this video and watch more of my content. Thanks for watching.